Yes.
So this homework is not graded, right?
Yes, not great.
Okay.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. So first of all, my friends, please choose your command lines. Okay, this is your command line, as you know. Write dimension style. Okay, or just DIM style. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, and press enter. Is this program is easy for you, or yeah? I mean, do you have any problem about the program? Hmm? Do you have any problem, my friends?
Not
No.
really.
Good. Because after this week, generally we will do lots of examples, and I think you will enjoy about these things. We will finish the topics. We have one or two basic topics, and then just exercises up to midterm. And okay. So, did you open the Dimension Style Manager? Just write Dimension Style and present it to your command line. Okay, and when you press enter, automatically you will see in a table. This one. Can you open it?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Yes, of course. To your command line, my friends, type DIM style. It means dimension style. Okay. And press enter. You will see dimension style options, set current, new, modify, override, and compare. Yeah? On your screen. And
Yes.
important thing here, my friends, when you set your dimension properties, okay, before you close this box, don't forget, first of all, if you finish your work, please set your current from this button, okay, then close it. Otherwise, maybe you can lose your settings that you did, okay? So don't forget this one, apply your settings, end of your work. With the new option, my friends, here, as you can understand its name, okay, you can create new dimension styles. But our main option is modify, because we will do our settings with the modify option, okay? So we can set every details with this option in our current dimension style, okay, that we are using now. So the next one is override option. With this, you can cancel the current style that I set, and you can create new temporary style, okay? You can choose another style and then you can back to your previous style, okay? And then with the last one, which is compare option, okay? You can compare two dimension style or list all properties of one of them, okay? But now let's learn the modify option because we want to,
Teacher,
yeah.
teacher, I can't open this window. I tried to write in the command, but no you.
Did you write a dimension style to your command line?
Yes,
Here.
yes.
Okay. Can you send me a photo? Just print screen key. Press it and send it to me. Photo, please. Okay.
Miss, about the homework, we'll send you email or photo.
Yeah, you can send it to me email, or you can send it to me from our teams, okay? This is just an exercise. Okay, by this way I can see the way that we have to continue.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I have a question about the things that we did last course. Can I ask you now?
Yes, okay.
So, as we know, we write some layers, like current
Yes.
layers part. But when I close it and reopen the Autodesk, they didn't. They are gone.
You lose your layers, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So
what should I supposed to do?
first of all, when you do your layers, I mean, when you create them, from here, can you see this small part?
Yeah.
Refresh your layers, okay?
Okay.
And just a minute, today. And near the refresh part, you have a setting part, yeah?
Yeah.
And then please select new layer notification here, okay?
Okay.
Evaluate all new layers, just a minute. Okay. And this one, look and fade, display, alert from pilot menu layers. Do the same thing as this one, okay?
Okay.
Look setting, apply them. Yeah, that's all, okay? Please select all these settings. I load this part to the URI. I forget to understand this part, okay? But I load it.
Miss, I have another part that in your screen it doesn't, who is not exist. It says Xref layer settings.
Yes, I know. But
So
do not do anything for the extra. This is something you are working with the blocks, okay? It is a different thing.
okay, thank you.
For this time, we don't need them, okay? This is difficult for you because. So
Okay.
just do these things and press OK. Okay, and then please, can you create them again? Maybe after the lecture, or no? Just a minute. Did you send me photo? Yeah. Okay, let me check this one also.
Yes, teacher, I sent you the photo.
Yes, I saw. Just a minute. I will try it. It is related with the other things. Just a minute. From your dimension style part, you have words annotative, save, restore, statues, variables, and apply. Yeah, did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, right dimension style again, and on this point, okay, please select apply part.
I'm sorry, select what?
Up because annotative no, you said. Just a minute. Enter the dimension style option. Apply part. The last one. Just write dimension style, write apply, select apply, okay, and please
Okay.
press enter. I think it should be changed. Press enter. Did you find it?
No use, no.
Again, didn't open. You couldn't open it.
Yes.
Can you repeat again, please?
Yes, but this is not. Let me go from here. Because yours is just a minute. Also, like yours. No. Can you say this my
Okay, yes, I solved it, this problem.
yeah, you because you select the save not save I said apply part, yeah, first, then you will find other things, dimension styles, and you have different type dimension styles.
Yeah, exactly, yes.
I think you select this one, annuity. Yes, this is related, that's why. So just select dimension style and continue. Yes, now you have this window.
Teacher,
Yes.
I have a question. How can you change your dimension units? Because like
Okay, okay.
this your
We will do it together now, okay?
okay.
My friends, can you open this window, all of you?
Who opened it?
Okay, very good. So let's continue. First of all, I teach you the options, and our main option is modify, okay? So first of all, start with the lines, okay? With this button. When you look to the dimension line, okay, you will see in the preview in the upper right corner. Can you see that?
Yes, we can see that.
So when you set something, there are setting buttons at the top, okay? So when you set something, you will see the differences in this preview, okay? For example, from the suppresses part, I select dimension line. Okay, can you see the difference? Yes? So
Yeah.
you can continue with the preview. First of all, your color, okay, should be by block, okay? For your dimension lines, okay? And line type that we did it in the previous lecture, you should select your line type as a continuous line for the dimensioning line, yeah? And line weight should be by layer, I mean your thickness should be 0, okay? And for the baseline spacing, okay, this is an interval between your line and your size, okay, should be 1. Am I fast?
No, teacher.
No.
That's okay.
Okay. When you select your baseline spacing, you can fix the interval between line and size that I said. And for the suppresses, do not select assign any dimension line 1 and dimension line 2 because you are playing with the lines, so we don't want to see something like that, okay? I'm sorry, I missed this, but I'm yeah, and from the surfaces part that I said, it's display on a dimension line. When you select dimension line 1 and dimension line 2, you can follow the changes, okay? And now let's do extension lines. There are small lines, okay, which show start and end points from here to here, yes? Now we will set them by checking the preview again. Please select this one and see the difference. And maybe select extension line 2 and see the other difference, yeah? So do not sign anyone. And extension lines types, okay, your colors should be again by block, extension line 1 by block, 2 by block, and line weight also by block, which have the thickness of 0. Okay. So the other thing, yes, here you will see extend beyond dimension lines. Your value should be 0.8. It is related with the SI units, okay? So yours should be 0.18. And offset from origin, I mean interval from origin should be 0.0625.
Miss, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Now in my screen, like in this, I mean the black part, in the black part,
Yeah.
there is no sign like millimeter.
Okay, we will add from the primary unit to this. We will add them, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, did you finish this part? Don't fix length extension lines. Okay, can you see that? Oh, this is related with you, but generally I don't want to do this one because when you see them, okay, you can see the corners, okay? It's up to you.
Okay.
Yes. Now, please move to symbols and arrows, okay? For the arrowheads, okay, generally we are using the closed field arrow types, okay, arrowheads, I mean. So please select all these three closed field, okay? And make your arrow size 5 millimeters, right? Okay, because other one was too small. We want to see the arrow. Okay, and for the center marks, okay, uh, select mark. Just a minute. This is really big for this one, not a little. Okay, for mine, okay, this was too big, okay, then I change it. Can you see the difference? So I will make it 1, okay, please check it from this part. I think yours should be 1 also. And from the center marks part, please select mark. Can you see the difference? This is related with the center part. Select mark. And the size of the center, 0.5. And make your dimension, break size. Okay, I don't know why it's like that. 0.05, yeah. Sorry. Okay. And your dimension 5. Yes. Okay. Are you with me?
Yes, we are.
Okay, very good. So, for the right part, please select preceding dimension text, okay? Because we don't want to see the art link symbol above the dimension text. Just select preceding dimension text. Okay. Set your jog angle to the 45 degree and jog height should be 1.5. Again, this is a different topic also, okay? But I will not give details now.
Miss,
Yes,
center marks is 0.05 or 0.5.
0.05.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's move the text part if you finish. Yes, my friends. From the text option, okay, set your text placement. Same as my settings, okay? Text style should be standard. Text color by block again. Fill color none. I mean because I don't want to change the background's color. It means when I select the color, okay, this is your background color. So we don't want to do something like that, okay? So just none. Okay. Let's do the same setting. And this one. I select this one because this is International Organization of Standardization, and I mean the combination of these two options. Okay, that's why I set this one. When you finish, please talk to me, and we can move the fit options.
Teacher, I have a point.
Yes.
When we set the text height, when it became two, so
My
the
friend,
output jump.
sorry, I couldn't hear you. Can you speak loud? Hi.
When I set the text height to 2, the arrows that we set it before, it's gone.
Okay, okay, so make it 4 for you, for yours, okay? But you are talking about the symbols and arrows, yeah? Not from text height.
No, teacher. When I set the text height, I
No.
set it as you did. So the arrows in mine, it's gone. That we set it before.
Okay, after we finish this part, we will try our settings, okay? Then we will check it again. Because of maybe it is different preview, okay? Let's wait for the finish.
Okay, teacher.
Yes, my friends, from move to fit part, please do the same settings. And let me check. Did you finish?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So let me check your text. Yes. Yes. Very good. Then from primary units, yes, my friend. On this point, we will add our suffix, okay, which is millimeter. For the unit format, please select decimal. Okay, and precision should be 0.0 because if you select other one, you have lots of zeros, yeah? So just select 0.00. It's enough for us. Okay, for this decimal separator, select period part. Round is 0. And we want to add a unit, yeah, which is millimeter, and we have to add this one end of the size, yes, not beginning of the size. So please, for the suffix part, write 2 small m, which means millimeter, okay, because, and check the difference on your previews, because if you add it to the prefix part, okay, end of the beginning of the size, you will see a millimeter again, but we don't want this one because this is SI units, yeah, just for the suffix part add it. Okay. When you add it, can you see the difference? Did your settings are changed? Did you check it from your previews? My friends.
Yes, hocam.
Yes. So, yes, do alternate units. No, we don't need these things now. Tolerances. Yes,
Can you show fit part also again?
fit.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome. For the primary units, your settings. Okay, that I said for the alternate units, okay, do not do any settings, it is not necessary. And for the last one also, tolerances option, we don't not have, we don't need to set them, okay? These two now. Yes, okay, so select okay. Okay, on this point, don't forget to set your currents. Select this part, set your currents, and then close your window. Now draw a small line, okay, with the visible line, and just measure it. The dimension line, of course. Okay, just a minute. It should be above the line. I had a mistake here. Dimension style. Yeah, just like that. I think I remember I select above the line for the text part. Where is it? Yeah. Okay, my friend, please. I didn't aware it. From the modify part, from the text, okay? For the text placement, okay? For the vertical part, okay? Just select your text placement above. For the horizontal also. Center. And view directions should be left to right. Let me check for the vertical one. Yeah, it's okay. 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 Yes, my friends, are you with me? Did you set your layers? I mean dimensions?
Yes hocam.
Very good. So let's draw this examples, okay? Okay. Start with this first one. Can you draw this? I think you can. Draw the first example, please. What is this voice? What are you doing? Don't forget, my friends, uh, for the main parts, you have to use visible line, yes? Can you see this line? Okay. And for the dimensioning, okay, you have to use dimension line. For the center, this one and this one, you have to use center line, yeah? Are you okay? So what we have 120 line, baseline, yeah? 120 millimeter line. And after that, I have two vertical line, which is 44 millimeter. I'm sorry, I have to do that with the visible line. First of all, draw 120, okay? And then 44 from the beginning and 44 from the end. Yes. Is it clear? Let's measure it with the dimension line, step by step. You see? Okay. And after that, from this circle center, okay, you have a line here. Yes? This is on the same point, yeah? On the same part. And what we have 36 diameter millimeter diameter circle. Yes. So first of all, you have to find your center point. Okay. So maybe you can use layers or lines from your vertical and horizontal lines. The first one, 36 millimeter. Move this one, 36. And the other one from this point is again from the beginning to 36 millimeter, right? So let's move this one 36 again. So this point is your center point now, yeah? What we need for the circle, we need the center lines, yeah? So just select center line here from your layers. Line. Okay. And select type C or okay, and from your point, I mean with this visible line again, draw a circle with the diameter 36. So its radius, mine is 18, yeah? And this one and make it long. Am I fast?
Miss, why do we have to use center line?
Because you have to show us the center point, okay? The intersecting point of these two line is your origin, I mean is your center line, that's why, okay?
Okay, can you repeat the dimensions that you chose?
This one, dimensions. Your dimension is 36 here, okay? So, and the diameter is 36. So, half of it is your radius. So, when you create your intersecting point, your origin, just type C to your origin, okay? And write 18, okay? Half of it. And press enter. Automatically you have your circle and you can measure it.
Teacher, can you do the layers with us? Because I didn't do it.
You need with the layers.
Yeah.
You mean you want to create these things again?
Yeah. Because I downloaded the AutoCAD from today's.
Okay, but first of all, I want to finish this one. Let me finish this one for your friends, okay? And then maybe you can see the record, huh?
Teacher,
Okay.
Yes.
teacher, how do you move lines?
You can move lines, my friend. Just type M, okay? And select move part. Okay, then select your object and move it. But before you're moving, just select right click.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. I load all these things to your class materials, my friends, and also for the Moodle. Okay. Please check the topics. I load different commands. Move, drawing the circle, the rectangle, any object, okay? Lots of things.
Miss,
Rotation, yes,
can I ask you a question too?
of course.
So, for example, if we make a plus with two lines
Yes,
and we want to cut the one part of the plus, like top side, for example.
Uh-huh.
What should we supposed to do? Which command was that? I forgot that.
You can keep it like that. Okay? Or
Like,
if you want, you can make it short. Okay? It's up to you. We want only see the center lines. I mean, I want to see your origin point.
yeah, okay.
So you can make it small or you can make it long. It's up to you. But you should pass the center line. Okay? To
Like
see.
for example, in the homework,
Mm-hmm.
as you remember, there is a part that there is a circle, and on the circle there is a half circle.
Half circle, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
for half circle also you can keep it like that.
Like for example, I create two circle for it, and for the larger circle, for the larger circle, I try to cut it on half.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But I can't, so I make the second circle with arc.
Okay, understood. Okay, you can.
That's why I'm asking.
Did you use the trim command?
No, what's that?
Okay, so you can. I mean, with the trim command, maybe you can do something like that. With the trim command, my friends, you can cut the small parts. Okay. I mean, let me try. First of all, I want to cut this one. For example, you mean you have a half of this circle, yeah? You want to cut this line, yeah?
Can you repeat that again, please?
Yeah.
Like, how did you do that?
How can I cut this part? You should use trim command. What is trim command? With the trim command, you can cut the parts that you don't want. So first of all, apply this command. Type tr, okay? Trim, and press enter and select your border. This is important point. First of all, you have to select your border, your limit, okay? So this is my border, okay? For this missing part. Select your border, then right click, then select your object that you don't want. Okay? Automatically when you move your mouse on your line that you don't want, okay? You can see it is disappeared, yeah?
Okay, so can we choose two borders?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
if you want quarter of that?
yes. You mean something like that. I type TR, press enter. This is my first border and this is my second border. Then right click and part that you don't want. Okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
So this is a very useful command. Okay, but don't forget to right click.
Okay.
So let's continue. Yes, after this circle, my friends, you have again a circle which is with the interval not 100, 84 millimeters. Okay, so from this point, yes, you have to draw a line. So the layout, my friends. Okay, so just move. This is my way. You can choose another way. Maybe you can draw a circle from this point and you can move the circle. Okay? It's up to you. Maybe you can move it and you can move it again for the original point. Okay? Or you can continue it this way. It's up to you. Just lot and make it long 120. Sorry. Okay, I want to move it. And from this point, from the baseline to your center point, you have 20 millimeter interval, yeah? So copy this one. or offset this one, doesn't matter, same thing. At 20. Okay. So now you have your intersection lines. Okay. Okay. Then draw another circle with the radius 10 because your diameter is 20. Yes? Just by 10. Press enter. Okay, now you have your circle. Is it okay? And don't forget, these two lines should be center line. Sorry. One more comment, my friends. If we want to get these lines properties to this line, to another line, okay, just write MA, match properties. It is same with the word, yeah? Just type MA, press enter, select your object that you want to properties and select your other line, another line, yeah? Is it okay? Is it clear? The dimension line.
Yes.
Give your measure. Is it clear up to this point, my friends?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes hocam.
Very good. So another thing, what we have, so we have 45 millimeter line here, yes? So it is starting from this part. Let me check one thing. Yes. What is the interval between the, for the upper line, as you see, okay, for this line, you have a 77 millimeter line, yes? So, please copy this one, okay, CO, from the beginning point, okay, to the up, 77 millimeter, okay? Is it clear? And what we have in here, we know this center point and this point on the same border, okay? This is not absolutely shown something like that, but it is like that, okay? So first of all, draw a line from here, okay? But my friends, don't forget, you have lots of way you can use another way, okay? It is related with your drawings, okay? So I draw a line, so I want to copy this line, okay? From here to right, which is 45 millimeter. Right, 45, and I want to cut other lines, yes, because I need this one. So just select a type TR. I select this one, I select this one, and right click. I don't want this part and this part. Okay, then you can erase your layout words. Okay. Thing only we have Just draw two lines from here to here. But with the visible line, don't forget. Here to here. And here to here. That's all. Can you see? Is it clear? So if you measure it with the dimension line again, you will see this 45. This is 36 because so it means this is not absolutely on the point. It is related with the drawing. Don't worry. Okay, this is not too important. Okay, and this part is 39. 80, 39. Yeah. Okay, that's all, my friends. Is it difficult? I think no, but I don't know your idea. Let's measure other things. How about your settings, my friends? My dimension setting seems okay, but I don't know yours. It seems like mine. Did you finish?
Yes.
Very good. All of you, my friends. I think it's not difficult. Yeah.
No, easy.
Yes. Very good. So please draw this one. Who finished first will get 2 points from me. Okay? Can you do that?
Well, it was homework.
Okay, but I want to draw now. This was your homework for this group. Okay, I no, it's not like that. Just a minute. I will give another one. Okay, because I mixed the groups. Let me find it. Okay, these are. Maybe this one. Okay, I will give a difficult one, huh?
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, but for dim style, you gave us the setting, right?
Yes.
When I close it and I'm drawing for my dimensions, the arrows are gone and the numbers are really small.
Okay, because I think you didn't set your current before you close your window, yeah?
Uh, Teacher, I did exactly the same as you said. I was copying you.
My friends, yours, others.
To be honest, mine is also too small.
Your text height.
Yes, teacher, I have the same problem.
Okay,
Like
wait,
literally.
just a minute. text height. So dimension style. Define text height. Mine is 2, yours? How about yours?
Teacher, it went back to the previous one, like the previous setting. Selected and then it should like remain the same when we close it. When if we close this and we start making the drawing, it goes back to the previous one.
Yeah, just select O, press OK, and set your current.
I did the same, but I don't know what's the problem with this.
Okay, so let's do it again. Your from text part, make it 2. But I think if it is 2, you really need to change it. What is your text height?
Mine is 2 and it's really small.
Okay, so you can make it 10, my friend, okay? And please see the preview. Don't forget, make it 10. Because for me, this 2 is enough for me. And for the 1 hour 50 scales, we will move to scales, okay? This is a different topic. For the 1 hour 50 scale, 10 font size is okay. It is readable, okay? So make it 10. Maybe your pilot settings is different. Make it 10 and press OK. And set your current, don't forget. Then close. Okay? So, is it okay now?
Miss? I think the problem is if when we are working with millimeters, 2 is okay, but if it's bigger, we need to do in centimeters, isn't it?
Yeah, it's okay. We can use it also, okay? But for the international drawings, we need to draw them with the millimeters, okay? This is better for us. Because we have very small parts, so we don't want to do our job with the 0.0s, okay? That's why we are using the millimeters.
Okay.
Okay, when you change your text height, is it okay now? Yours.
Yes, it's okay now.
Okay, so use 10, okay, for your drawing. Because I have to use it too, okay? Okay, we will apply lots of settings, okay? End of the lecture, you will see we will have the same settings on our screens, okay? Don't forget, don't worry about this. Okay, let me share my screen, what we have. Okay. Let me find an exercise for you, a difficult one. Yes, I found it. Okay, let's do this one. Can you see it? All millimeters in, all dimensions are in millimeters also. Okay, Who finished first and who sent it to me, extra 2 marks from me. Okay? And then we can draw it together.
Okay, miss.
Okay, I am waiting.
Miss,
Yes.
can you share it, please, with us, like the image?
Okay, maybe I can send it to you from our chat, huh?
Oh, it can be perfect.
Yes, of course. Just a minute. Yes. And what is? Oh my God, I sent everything. Okay, just select new Microsoft Word document tool, okay? And second exercise. You can, upload it also for the files, okay? Just select files part and find new Microsoft Word document. Let me share my screen if you need. Do you need?
No, miss. No, teacher, it's good.
Okay, so from the new Microsoft Word document, exercise 2, please.
Miss,
And I am waiting. Yes.
if R is 10, that means like
R means radius, okay? And diameter means D or theta means diameter,
okay.
okay? The radius is the half of diameter, don't forget. If your diameter is 20, your radius is 10.
So we're making radius right now.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, I'm waiting. Are you happy with your assistant?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yours was Abu Bakr or Ali?
Abu Bakr, yes.
Abu Bakr, yes, very good.
I have a question, please.
Yes, of course.
When will we have our first assignment or quiz?
Uh-huh.
When will we have it?
And I've been informed about these topics, okay? About our quiz, or about our homeworks.
Okay.
Okay, because I think the beginning of the midterms, I think end of this month. Yes, end of this month, we will start to midterms, okay? But not this week, maybe after 2 weeks, okay? We have a quiz.
Okay.
So, teacher,
Thank you.
can I ask a question?
Yes.
How it could be hold the midterm?
I don't know. We will see, huh? But when we do the quiz, okay, I think you have an idea. You will have an idea.
So, can you inform us before a bit to get ready for it?
Yes.
Teacher, can you
Thank
show
you.
us how to do this curve?
Curve mean this one?
Just the curves in.
This one. Okay. But first of all, you should try, okay? Because some of you will gain a mark, huh? Let's wait 5 minutes more, okay? This is again just a small thing. This is related with the fillet.
Yes. I finished the exercise too. You post. I sent it to you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, send it to me, please. Let
Okay.
me check. Very good. Did you send?
Yes, but the dimensions are too small.
Okay, but where?
I will send it now to you.
Okay.
Graphics assignments.
My friends, did you follow the attendance?
I send it to Miss. Where is the attendance?
From the Moodle, you can follow it, okay?
Like a model?
Yes.
And the LMS?
Yes.
Okay. Can you check the chat?
Yes, I checked. I saw it. Let me download it. Yes, it's okay, but my friends, your line should be a visible line. You should add your center lines.
Yeah, I know. I told you before. I didn't do it because I download the AutoCAD yesterday.
How you don't have the layers that how you are
Yeah,
applying. Okay,
I don't
okay.
have the layers. I told
So
you. You
let's
said to me.
do. Please write me your student number. Extra 2 points for you.
Yes.
Okay. You can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I finished that.
Very good. Okay, you can send it to me also.
Okay.
Just a minute. This is group 2. Alternative. Okay, my friends, I said 1%, but I will give 3%, okay? So please try. How about you, my friends? Is it okay? Do you need any help? One of your friends asked about this curve, yeah?
It's an arc, right?
Yeah, or just draw 2 lines. Let me show you. This, which is 50 millimeter from this point. I want it from here, okay? A true line, okay? I accept you draw all these lines, I mean other lines, these things, okay? And you have only this part, okay? This is the easy way. Just write fillet, type F, type R, and specify your radius, which is 20, yeah? After this part, if you select your objects, okay, automatically you have a curve, yeah? This is very easy. Is it okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Teacher, once again, please.
did you see mine? Did you check it?
Yeah, let me check.
But the last one.
Okay. Yes, but you didn't use the dimension line, yes, for the dimensioning. Again, you use visible line.
In the second one, I changed that, but as I told you, mines are deleted, so I just quickly write something like visible line and hidden line. So
Okay. In your exams, this is okay. Extra 2 marks for you also. Send it your student number. My friends, for your exams, for your homeworks, for your quizzes, for everything, okay? Don't forget to draw with your dimension lines, center lines. Use them, okay? This is very important because I have to cut your points with this style.
I have drew it. I finished as well.
Okay, you can send it to me.
Okay, thank you.
Me. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ask. Sorry.
Yes, my internet got disconnected for 2 minutes. And I want to ask you, did you take attendance?
No,
Because I
you,
heard you were talking about attendance.
you can follow your attendances for Moodle. I am LMS, okay?
Okay. But you did not take attendance now?
No, don't worry.
Okay.
Yes, my friends. Okay. Did you understand this part? This curve? You can what?
So can you explain the curve again?
Sorry.
The curve you just explained. Can you do it one more time, please?
Yes, of course, and I can show you one more way also. Okay, I accept you draw all these lines, okay, up to this point. Okay, I mean you have two lines, this one and this. Okay, so you have 50 millimeter from here, millimeter from here. Okay, so only type F, which means fillet, press enter, and R, which means radius, fillet radius, and give your radius, which is 20. Okay, after do your selection, just select your two line. Automatically you have your curve.
Okay, teacher, what about the big curve, the half circle?
Which one? This one?
Yes.
Okay, we are talking about this one. So
Miss,
you
can you show that again, please?
which one? This one?
Yeah, this one, because I make a circle and I use trim and cut the other three part.
Okay. This is the way also, but this is the easy way, huh?
Okay.
Take that way. Just press F, type F, which means fillet. Okay. Press enter. Then write R. Press enter. And now you can specify your fillet radius, ours is radius and 20, and press enter. Fillet, enter, radius, enter, and then your radius size, enter. Specify your radius, and then just select your objects. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Sorry,
So
ma'am, just have a question.
when you measure it, yeah, of course, okay, you will see this is 20, okay? This is very easy way. Yes, of course you can.
I sent you the drawings I drew, but I don't have the layers as well, so
Okay, next time I will accept with the layers, okay?
okay.
So, let me take my mouse.
And Miss,
Yes.
can you open the layer screen, please? I will take print screen.
Okay, but one more question I have to answer. Just give me a minute, okay? Your friends asked about this middle circle. Okay, how we can do the trim. So we have two lines, yeah? Which is 30 millimeter, and copy it, okay? 30 millimeter with the interval, okay? Is it clear up to this point? Because if your radius is 15, your diameter is 30, yeah? Is it okay?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
from this point, if I draw a circle from this point with the diameter 30, it is okay, huh? Sorry, with the radius. Yes? And if I move it 15. It should be okay, yeah? I think this is an easy one. Yeah. For this part, okay, I have to cut it from this part, yeah? So, you can draw the line, but it is not necessary. You can do it like that, but some of your friends maybe prefer this way, okay? First of all, you need borders to apply the trim command, okay? So you have to find an intersection point, okay? So type TR, okay? And select your borders. I want to cut this part, yeah? So these two lines is my borders, okay? So select them and right click, then select your part that you don't want. And you will see you don't have any missing part, yeah? You cut your part that you don't want. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so if you couldn't apply this one, okay, from this intersection point, maybe this is difficult for you, from this intersection point, draw a line and just type TR, this is my border, right selection, right click, and then select your part. And then erase this one. This is also way, okay?
Teacher,
Yes.
for the previous one, you wrote fillet and then you wrote radius.
Yes. Fillet, radius. You can keep it from here also. Radius, doesn't matter. And then your size, your radius.
Tamam, teacher, thank you.
You're welcome. Abdul Rashid, thank you very much. But you are the fourth person, okay? I said 4-3 person, okay? Maybe next time. But this is good. But
Teacher.
again, you didn't use the visible line, okay?
Teacher, I have an issue. My lines, I can't use like 20 millimeter because it will be too big. So I have to minimize it to draw, and the dimension writing won't show.
Okay, you can send it to me. Your settings photo.
Okay.
Okay, I want to see your settings. Then yes, my friends. You want to see my layer properties? Yeah. Check it, please.
Teacher?
Yes.
After you make the circle, you put the dimension sign between that, right?
Yes, this one.
Yeah, for this one, how would you put on the half circle, the dimension line? How would you choose it?
You can use the dimensioning part for the half circles, doesn't matter, okay? Because you have a center point, so you can measure them. Just select your radius from the dimension bar. Okay, just select your line, your curve.
Okay, teacher, thank you.
Okay, diameter. Okay, you can measure it. Yes, my friend. Okay, my friend. I think this is enough for today, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So don't forget to follow your attendances, okay? From the model, from LMS. And do you have any problem about the program?
Ma'am, where we can find the recorded video?
Uh, to the element.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hocam,
Yes.
when is our quiz?
After 2 weeks, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, can I close the layer properties box?
Teacher,
Yes.
how can I know when should I use center line or dimension line or
Beginning of the lecture, I explained them. For example, you want to draw a object. I will close it just a minute. I think it's enough. You can see from the records also. For example, you will draw an object, okay? And you should know your main parts, okay? For example, for this shape, for this drawing, this is my main drawing, yeah? So your main drawing in these circles should be with the visible line, okay? Because with the visible line you are showing the main object. But if you have a circle with the visible line, you have to put your center line. So to see the origins, to see the intersection points, okay, you have to put the center lines. It means when you have a circle inside in it, you have to put center line. Okay, so these two lines are center lines. And if you want to give your sizes to your drawings, to your objects, you have to put dimension line. That's why we create dimension line, hidden line, visible line, center line, okay?
Miss?
Miss?
yes, teacher, understood.
Good. Yes.
Thank you so much.
I couldn't find the attendance in the Moodle.
Yes, teacher, me too. I cannot see the attendance in the Moodle.
Can all of you check? You check?
I can see the attendance.
You can see?
Oh, yes, I found
Yes.
it. The
Yes.
present.
Okay, my friends, check it again. You will find, okay?
Miss, can you show me how to draw a line with a specific angle?
Yes, of course. Let me check one more thing. Let me. Okay, it seems okay, my friends. Your dimension setting. And also my friends, from text part, please send it to me text part photo. Okay, and on this time I will show you angle, how we can give a specific angle. Yes, you have two line, okay? And you want to give a specific angle between these two line, yeah? First of all, are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah, first of all,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to select your line, okay? That you want to rotate, okay? So select your line and write arrow, type arrow, okay? Select your object, doesn't matter, okay? And then right click and then specify a base point, and this is important. I want to do the rotation from this point, yeah? So I have to select this point, my friends, not select this one. select your base point and move your mouse. If you press F8, you can see the rotation easily. I mean, your mode should be off. If your auto mode is on, maybe you can see it only vertically and horizontally, but if it is off, you can see it directly. Are you with me up to this point?
Yes.
From this point only, give your angle. Maybe if you want to rotate your angle to this way, change your way, change your position, okay? And for example, I need 30-degree rotation, yeah? On this point. It should be maybe 30, yeah? But I know this is perpendicular to each other, so it is 90. So I need to make it 90 minus 30, yeah? So it is 60. So your rotation angle should be 60. Oh, minus 60, sorry. Oh. Minus 60, okay? Just press enter. When you measure it from the angular part, okay, you will see this is 30. Why minus? Because your position, it is up to down, yeah?
Miss?
Yes.
Or tutorial teachers said that we can do that with tab. Like for example, we draw a line and we say 30 millimeter, and then we draw another line, for example, and we draw another line, and we write, for example, 20, and we press tab, and we pass the angle.
Okay, this is another way. You can use both. We have lots of ways, okay?
Okay.
So don't worry about the ways, okay? This is also, you can use, this is up to you. Okay, I am using this way. Maybe this is easy for me. Maybe other way is easy for you, okay?
Okay.
Yes, my friend. Another thing. Did you send me a photo, my friend? Okay.
You don't send my dimension statements.
Yeah, my friend. First of all, you should add for the suffix part double 2m. I mean millimeter. Okay. Just a minute. Let me share mine. It is related with your settings again. First of all, from the modify part, my friends, your text placement from the text should be vertical one above, horizontal center, okay, and left to right. Are you with me? And international standard, organization standard. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. And for the primary unit, you should add millimeter for the suffix part.
Yes.
Okay. And your unit format decimal.
Yes.
Okay. And I saw these things on your photo. Another minute, one more time. that's all, huh?
Yeah. Teacher, my problem is that, like, you can see at the right side, the standard unit you see. On your dimension, they wrote 13.2, but on mine is 1.1 something. If I draw 20 millimeter now, the line will be too long. They have to minimize it.
Which part? Text, feet?
No, the right diagram on your screen, the diagram on the right. Yes, the numbers are written in 2 decimal, 22.11 point, but mine is 1.1 something. If I draw 20 millimeter, the line will be too long for the page.
Okay, so you should change your unit format as a decimal and precision. This is.
Yeah, decimal is my unit format, and precision is 0.0.
Okay, can you share your?
Can I share my?
Yes, you can share.
Okay.
This is the difficult thing for the online format, my friends.
Teacher?
What?
Teacher, can you show your symbols and arrow again? In the dim style setting, can you show your symbol and arrow, the setting for symbols and arrow?
Yes, of course, but if I... Okay, mine will close because your friend will share, but... Okay. After Rashid, okay. After Rashid, maybe I will finish the lecture after a few minutes, okay? Then we can join together, huh?
Okay.
Your precision is 0.0000. Only use 0.020 is enough, okay?
Okay.
And then it will be okay. Another thing. Is it okay, my friends?
No, it's still the same.
Okay, so good. Okay, my friends, this is enough for today. We finished the lecture. Okay, so have a nice day. Have a nice week. Okay?
Yes, Professor.
You're welcome, my friend. I'm not professor, I'm part-time teacher, okay?
Okay, miss, see you.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher. Take care.
Thank you.